All right, it says, given the graph below, right here, it's on the right, answer each part of this task. Write the solution to the system, y equals negative x squared plus x plus 2, and y equals 2. Before I start with that piece, look up, please. Look at the quadratic equation. Everybody there? What predictions can you make just from looking at it for right now? Think about it. All right? Tell your neighbor, what predictions can you make straight from the equation? Go. Okay, what's one prediction? Aaron? One prediction that you can make given the equation. Y-intercept is 2. Let's check. Does it cross at 2? Here's 0, 1, 2. Is it crossing at 2? Yes, that is correct. Rafa, what's another prediction that we can make given that equation? I'm sorry? We're going to have 2 roots, but we can't tell unless we use the discriminant, right? I'm saying just given that equation. Help them out, Ian. It's sad, you guess. It's a sad face, so it's going to be a upside down parabola. How do you know that? It's a negative leading coefficient. That is correct. And notice this. Look at the graph. Is it going upside down? Yes, that is correct. So far now we're starting to look at characteristics of the equation. Now we can start making some predictions. Now let's go to the problem here. It says, write the solution to the system. So the system is the parabola, this one, and y equals 2. So look up. Does this equation have a slope? Y equals 2. No, it's missing the x, isn't it? That means it's a straight line, a horizontal straight line, going through which point? Y equals what? 2. Let's go to y equals 2. 1, 2. What line is going through that? Line A. Does everybody see that? Line A is going through 2. So, once again, the question that is of all ages, what is the solution to any system of equations? I'm not talking about these. Any system. Tell your neighbor, what is the solution to any system? Dea, what's the solution to any system? Aaron, help her out. Where the lines intersect or the graphs intersect. That is correct. So what graphs are we talking about? The parabola right now and line A. Tell your neighbor the solution to that system, please, or the solutions. Do that, please, right now. So we're looking at line A and the parabola. All right. Alexia, can you give us one solution? 1, 2. Let's find out. 1, 2. Is that line intersecting the parabola at 1, 2? Yes. Pass someone. Sergio? 0, 2. Let's see. 0, 2. Is it intersecting that line at that point? Yes. Those are my solutions to that system. We good? All right. It says part B. Write a system using a quadratic equation. Y equals negative x squared plus x plus 2. And another equation. So, how many equations do we have here? Let's see. First of all, how many lines are they giving us? A, or how many graphs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So how many letters are there? 7. But out of those 7, one of them is quadratic. That means that the other ones are linear, yes? So we have 6 different systems we can write. So you already wrote your system, yes? All right, good. Let's see. What system did you write, Garrett? Yes. Y equals 0. Let's see. And that's letter E. Is it going through 0? Yes. Is it 0 slope? Yes. All right. Did anyone else write that system? All right. Some of you. Okay. Those of you that did not, I want you to write it down right now. Write this system down. And I want you to write the solutions to that system, please. Solutions to that system. So now we're looking at the system, the parabola, and line E, this line right here. All right. Garrett, pass someone. Jesse, what's one of the solutions for that system? What is it? 2, 0. Let's find out. 2, 0. Is this line intersecting the parabola at that point? Yes, that is correct. Pass someone. Jason? -1, 0. Let's see, -1, 0. Is that line intersecting parabola there? Yes, that is correct. Okay. Who can give me another system? Another system. Y equals -x squared plus x plus 2. Who wrote a different system? I only saw like 5 hands go up for that first one, so who has a different system? Yes, Andrew. Y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Let's find out. What is the y-intercept? -1. So let's see. -1 is right here. So that means there's 2 lines going through it, this one and this one, but this one has a positive slope. That means it's this one. Let's see if the slope is correct. To get from this point to this point, let's see. How many steps up? 1. How many to the right? 2. So 1 up, 2 to the right. Yeah, that is correct. So he's using graph B and line D. So let me highlight line D. Turn to your neighbor and let them know the solutions to that system. Line D and the parabola. Line D and the parabola. One of the points is going to be a little challenging, but let's see if you get it. Okay, Andrew, pass someone. Calvin, can you give us one solution to that system? 2, 0. Let's see. 2, 0. Is this line intersecting the parabola at that point? Yes. Pass someone. Jason, what's the other solution? -1.5. -1 3/4, so -1.75. Let's see. -1.5 is about right here. -1 3/4 is about right here. That is correct. That line is intersecting the parabola there. We good? All right, let's do one more. So we got one. No, I think that's enough. Yes? 1, 2, 3. How many more systems can we come up with? 3 more systems, right? Different systems. Any questions with these so far? Okay, and once again, this is like problem number 34 on the study guide. That's why I'm going over this one. We went over it again yesterday. Let's go to part D. Part D says write a system of linear equations. Linear equations. That means we cannot use a quadratic anymore. So, Jason, pass to someone. I need a system of linear equations. Sergio. One half x plus 1 minus 1 negative 1x minus 1. All right. So he's using this line, the one we just used, letter D, and negative 1x minus 1. Let's see, minus 1, and it's a negative slope. It's going down 1 to the right, yes. So he's using line F. If you don't have that system, write it down, and I want you to write me the solution to that system, please. Solution to that system. Notice that I said solution. Since it's a linear system, there's only what? One solution. Tell your neighbor the solution to that system, please. Okay, Sergio, pass someone. In 0, negative 1. Let's see. Line D and line F intersect at 0, negative 1. That is correct. All right. We need one more system, one more linear system. Pass it to someone. Ian. Rafa, give me another system. Y equals 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, negative 1 half x. I don't think we have that one. Positive 1 half x minus 1. Okay. So we're looking at line D. And what other line, everyone? And line A. Tell your neighbor the solution to that system, please. On 3, everyone. 1, 2, 3. 6, 2. Let's see. 6, 2. All right, show me where the fingers, how comfortable you are with these. Okay, I got some 4s, 5s, 4s, 5s. Okay. All right. Write this down. Here's a code for Nearpod. Cumulative test number 5, study guide X. And the code is KVEBR. So you go to Nearpod, type that in, and the first screen is going to say, go to the next screen and look at study guide X. The next screen, after the introduction screen, it says, well, I'll show you right now as soon as you copy that. Everybody done? All right, so watch. Let me go to the to Nearpod really quick. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. So the first screen is going to say Cumulative Test number 5, Study Guide X. Go to the next slide, open the new Study Guide X, and study. I should have put another one with a happy face so it could be, and study. Right, Calvin? Enjoy. See, that sounds nice. 10Q. So anyways, look at the next screen. When you go to the next screen, it's a PDF reader. Some of your computers or tablets or phones might not read it correctly because it's one document and you need to scroll down so you can see all the pages in there. So if it doesn't do that, go to the next screen. If you don't see anything there, don't log out. Go to the next screen, and I uploaded one page at a time per slide, and you can zoom in. Everybody with me? So one page at a time. It's only 8 pages. And they're all in there. Okay? All right. So I'm going to upload a video on using the code for Nearpod for the home plate, in case you lose your code or whatever the case, and also the review on problem number of the warm up, which is like the problem number 34 of the home plate. Okay, I'll stop the recording there. Enjoy your study. Bye.